In this video, we're going to look at an alternative definition of an outlier. So in previous videos, we've looked at a pretty standard one, which says that an outlier is one which is more than 1.5 interquartile ranges beyond the upper and lower quartiles. But there are other definitions as well. And the one I'm going to show you now relates to the standard deviation and the mean. So have a look at this. So here's the data that we've seen a few times now. So Raheem Sterling's points across a bunch of games this season. So one definition, instead of relating things to medians and quartiles, is to say that an outlier is any point which is more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean. So effectively what's that's going to be is either the mean plus 2 standard deviations or the mean minus 2 standard deviations. So if we calculate what that is, we've got either the mean, which is 4.33, plus 2 lots of 4.74, which gets us up to 13.81, or the mean minus 2 standard deviations, which is negative 5.15. Now, obviously, none of the data is negative, so there are no outliers at the bottom end according to this definition. And at the top end, well, we do get 2 outliers. We get 16 and 20. So when we used the quartiles definition, we only got 1 outlier, I think 20, whereas now we get 2 outliers. So it doesn't always give exactly the same outcome, but that's okay, because remember, the whole point about outliers is kind of to clean things up if you have a reason to exclude outliers. Now, in this situation, do we want to exclude those outliers? Probably not. There's no reason to think they were recorded in error. They're not crazy scores. It's not like he got like 300 points and it kind of ruins all of the other stuff that we might calculate. So in this case, we might choose not to. But the point is, it is useful to know what the outliers are. And here's another definition. Now, it could be the mean plus 2 standard deviations, minus 2 standard deviations. Maybe it's plus or minus 3 standard deviations, because maybe you're only looking for the really extreme cases. It really depends. Point is, in a question where you're asked to establish the outliers, you could be asked to use this definition as well. But rest assured that the questions will always be crystal clear about which definition they want you to use. Okay, hope that was useful, and that concludes our work for now on outliers.